Bula Benaka. Yes, listening to the song by West Fiji and Devo Mokila. And this is a big Bula Benaka to all our Melanesian One Talk family. And some have asked to have the meaning of the song Devo Mokila translated. They enjoy the music, they enjoy the song, they enjoy the beat by our Fijian composers, music composers, and but the only thing is that they don't understand. So this is for you, our Melanesian One Talks, and I hope this will shed some light on this awesome music that you have been enjoying thus far. One thing that can be said of music composers, especially our Fijian composers, is that they are like poets. Sometimes it's very, very hard to have a peep into minds and soul, because this is like poetry and hidden meanings and stuff like that. But I'll try and do my best and see what can be done so that your enjoyment of this music can be enhanced now by your understanding the lyrics. So we'll try and put some meaning here. And Devo Mokila, the song title, can be, is a phrase that can be translated as "I wish you knew." From what I gather about the song, it's about it's being sung from the point of, or the story is being told from the point of view of the lady, and apparently the love affair or the partnership has ended, and this is her song and expressing the pain of her heart to her lover. What's a lover? So Devo Mokila, I wish you knew, and we'll try and go through verse by verse, and then we'll look at the individual verses and the meaning of translation in English. Namomosi nia longu, the pain of my heart. Au bunia e utongu, I bury deep inside. Savakame o ngalili, I'm so lonely now. Tu pe kemuni, yearning for you. Sengasara ningai vengu, beating constantly. Na tatuki ni atengu is the distress of my heart. Atengu, yes, in this context, I will just say it's my heart, but it means a different organ of the body in Fijian, I guess. Yes, but beating constantly is the distress of my heart. Sa yawaki kemuni dauluman, because we are apart, my love. Then the chorus, very catchy chorus. Devo Mokila na musi ni alongo. There you go, back to the theme there. Wish you knew the pain of my heart. Au mokota voli, the pain of my heart that enwraps me. Kaubunia lo tunga, and that I silently bear. Yes, the pain of the heart. Senganikilana tabuki nialomu, your change of heart took me by surprise. Wakame umbiliraki, I felt abandoned. I felt like pushed away, literally. Kaulutunromu, sinking ever so low. Yes, I felt abandoned, sinking ever so low. Mosi Nibikilai, sweet was our meeting. Autu Kawai, sweet was our meeting, and I was hypnotized. Wuni nongu mai rawai. fell head over heels for you, fell in love with you. Take a woman but then like painful darts, was a Kevin down Durumai, were many hurtful words whispered. Some kind of way locker, rushing and engulfing me like waves. Yes, in a lot of our songs now, we see many references to the sea, the ocean, the waves, because we are an oceanic people surrounded by the largest body of water on the planet, the Pacific Ocean. So they weave this theme of the sea, the ocean, the waves into the music. Yana Ragavakandua Naisemango. Yes. So that was it. Rushing and engulfing me like waves, destroying forever this bond. Then back to the chorus. I wish you knew the pain of my heart that enwraps me, that I silently bear. Tomokotaboli that enwraps me, kauhunia lotunga, and that I silently bear. Senganikila na tavuki nia lomu, your change of heart took me by surprise. Wakame umbiliraki, I felt betrayed. Kaulutun romu, sinking ever so low. Then I think it's the last verse. Vileveyaki nongumbula, my life is in chaos. Viviriaki nongunanuma, my mind befuddled. Aumai came to you to confess more vingomi yaukina, so that you would take me back. Serendali lesunongu wanga. But now ropes holding this ship is cast off. Meulesu ki Verata, as I set sail back to Verata. So Verata is her village. Again, a reference to there to a ship sailing off. Yes, back to her village of Verata. Lei o Coronicalo Modemanda. So Coronicalo is his village. So what she's referencing here is how painful Coronicalo, meaning his village. So she's saying how painful the village of her lover, that I have to forever farewell you. And I think the chorus for the last time. Diva mokilana musinia longu, wish you knew the pain of my heart. Au mokota voli, that enwraps me. Kauhunia lo tunga, and that I silently bear. Senganikilana tavuki nia lomu, your change of heart took me by surprise. Wakame umbiliraki, I felt abandoned. Kaulutun romu, sinking ever so low. So there you have it. One talk, friends, and a big shout out, a big bulavanaka to my friend who wrote in asking for the translation of that song. So this is for you and for all our One Talk family. And hope that has shed some light on the meaning, and that your enjoyment of the song can now be enhanced now with your knowing what the song is about. So if you like this and enjoyed that, then please hit the like and the subscribe button. And if there is another song that you would like help with, put that in the comment below, and I'll see what I can do. Mo de mana.